So, good morning. Welcome to the first day of vlogging. Yay! I'm trying to wake myself up still. So this is the first day of Vlogmas. I am vlogging every day until Christmas. That is what Vlogmas kind of stands for. Today's Friday. I don't have school today. It's currently like 10 a.m. What are the plans for today? Well, right now I need to get ready. I'm having lunch with my best friend in the whole world, and then in the afternoon I'm meeting a couple of friends to do school stuff with, but it's going to be fun. And then I'm watching a movie for like a movie that is a part of like this film festival happening in my city right now. And then I'm going to dinner and stuff and fun stuff, concerts stuff. So it's going to be a fun day, productive day. Right now I have to get ready and actually try to look presentable. And yeah, my main concern right now is that I won't have any buses. Yeah. So if you're a regular to my channel, and I did not know that I have regular people on my channel, but if there are, let me just explain a couple of things. I moved to a new house, so it's kind of in the middle of nowhere, so that's why I'm concerned about the bus. And I have bangs now. I don't really know why, but kind of looks cool. No, I look way more vintage right now. I was watching a movie, and now I have to stop because I woke up. I started watching a movie, then I need to get ready and do stuff with my life. And I just wanted to say that the movie was really, really cool. I haven't finished, and I really want to. It's called The Cure for Wellness, and it's really, really cool and interesting, and it's a good movie suggestion. Yeah, I think in my vlogmas, in my vlogs, I'm going to always add like a music, movie, series, book suggestion, because it's nice. It's nice. I like when people do that to me. So there you go. This is the movie suggestions for today. Now I need to get ready. Excusez-moi. So this is my outfit. Yes. Okay, you can't really see it in here. And my room is a mess. Don't mind that. So yeah, my hair is kind of weird today, but yeah. I still haven't finished my makeup because I suck at makeup. Yes. I'm really proud of my outfit today because I'm so comfortable and I look kind of like I tried. So that's the goal, kids. Yes. You. Okay, sorry. Oh, hi there. So yeah, I have a bus to catch, or not to catch, because I don't think there's going to be a bus, but pray for me. So as you can see, I live in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. So it kind of takes a long pull to get there. To get to the bus station, but I kind of always see the street, like the end of the street is right around there, the bus station. I'm sorry I started running, but I have to walk like this whole thingy. So I was back there and I literally saw a bus like coming through here. I started running, but it was just too late. This always happens to me. Literally no one is here. Oh, this is not a good sign.
Well, you moved on ridiculously quick, so much for hopeless romantic.
He's so dumb. He's literally right over there, and he passed right by me and didn't saw me. I'm going to steal like all of the balloons. Okay, I'm going to tell you what happened outside. You know what I'm scared of, right? What am I scared of?
A lot of things.
Like?
Needles. Clowns.
Yeah, good. It was a clown outside and I started running in, and I was with this camera, so people thought I was talking to myself and running. Help me. It's not that hard. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes.
What do you think? Similar to Malaya, Simiami Human, speaking one minute, they say reaching up me on 3 I'm devastated, mother, I can't wait, come on, day. But I ain't Jesus. How you doing? I ain't got no time. Hey, hey. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You know what I can do? I can ride your girl with no handlebars. I can ride your girl with no handlebars. This is the first time. Cycling on your chick like da da da.
No. It's for the vlog, come on. Now we have to do it. I am so scared. I'm shaking. Because we're basic. It's going to fall.
Now I had the time of my life. I felt this I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I've been waiting for so long. Now I finally found someone. Stand by me, stand by me. Shall we hold each other's hand?
Awesome.
Pretty girl with the butterscotch hair, your eyes in the sunshine and smile you at. I can see how you make his soul glow. Pretty girl with the adventurous.
We found Ryan Gosling. Are you excited?
Yes, very excited to see Ryan Gosling before me opening the doors.
Watching me get undressed, take a party downtown. I say you're the bestest, leaning for a big kiss, but it's really dark.
This is so bad, oh my god. So guess who's back? Back again. Shade is back. Tell him. So yeah, today was crazy. This vlog thing is cool. Kind of gets me excited, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. I suppose I have to like say goodbye to today's vlog. Tomorrow will be a new one, you know how this whole Vlogmas thing works. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how this kind of turns out. I don't really know what to say now. This feels really awkward, but guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Bye guys.